Hello, Brian Barclay, Director of Sales at DuraVent, leaders in venting innovation for over 60 years. Today I'd like to talk to you about some changes that we've made to the packaging for our retail products. Specifically here I want to talk about our connector pipe. We sell DuraBlack, which is our single wall 18-inch clearance combustible 5-year warranty. We sell DVL, which is the premium on the market. It is a close clearance 6-inch product from the wall. Stainless steel inner meets the 2020 stove criteria. Best product is lifetime warranty, US made. So today I want to talk to you about some changes that we've made to the packaging. First off, we've actually updated the boxes and we've created some images on there that actually shows the homeowner what's in the box. It is multilingual. This one is printed in 3 languages. It's in English, Spanish, and French. We did put some verbiage on here to explain what's actually in the box. We do have some color images. This shows here that is what pieces are in the box. And then we have some breakdown of what are those pieces and what are they called. Like I said, we did update the boxes. We did that both for DVL, our premium product, and DuraBlack, our 5-year product. Another thing we did for this year to help the retailer capitalize on the space they have, gives them some options. We've actually gone from our standard kit, which is basically from the top of the stove to the ceiling. That's all it does. We did add an elbow to this particular kit. We do call it now the DVL up or out kit. And what it does is it does what this one does, plus gives the option to go to the wall. We've added a little bit of adapters to it, simplistic. It's a universal kit. We did the same thing over here for our DuraBlack product. Our DuraBlack product, like I said, single wall, 5-year warranty, 18 inches clearance combustible. We did add the same thing. We did a 90-degree elbow in this particular kit. So now you can actually have one SKU that does everything instead of a kit and some elbows and so on and so forth. So as one box does all. Same thing with DVL. So like I said, transitions, we're making things better. The boxes are looking nicer. We've got more information available to the end user. So anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please check out DuraVent's YouTube channel for more content and videos. Have a great day.